51. Activity list. Definition. A comprehensive list of all schedule activities required to complete the project deliverables. Example. For an EMR project, activities may include design database, configure modules, train users, and go live. Narration tip. Your activity list is your roadmap. It tells you every single task that needs to be done.
52. Activity duration. Definition. The amount of time required to complete a specific activity, usually expressed in hours, days, or weeks. Example, configure pharmacy module, 10 days, user training, 5 days. Narration tip. Duration defines how long, not when. It's the building block of your entire schedule.
53. Network diagram. Definition. A visual representation showing the logical sequence of project activities and their dependencies. Example. In a hospital IT project, design, development, testing, go live can be represented as connected boxes with arrows. Narration tip. A network diagram helps you see what must happen first and what can happen later.
54. Critical Path Method, CPM. Definition. A technique that identifies the longest path of dependent activities and determines the shortest possible project duration. Example, if your EMR project's critical path is design, coding, testing, go live, any delay in these delays the whole project. Narration tip. The critical path is the project's heartbeat. If it slips, your deadline slips.
55. Float. Definition. The amount of time an activity can be delayed without affecting the project's overall completion date. Example. If user training can start 2 days later without affecting go live, it has 2 days of float. Narration tip. Float gives flexibility, but remember, too much float can mask hidden delays.
56. Gantt Chart. Definition. A bar chart that visually represents the project schedule, showing activities, durations, and dependencies. Example, a hospital project's timeline showing overlapping bars for design, development, and testing. Narration tip. The Gantt chart is your visual calendar. One glance and everyone knows where the project stands.
57. Dependency Types. FS, SS, FF, SF. Definition. Relationships between activities. FS. Finish to start. Task B starts after Task A finishes. SS. Start to start. Tasks start together. Finish to finish. Tasks finish together. SF. Start to finish. Rare reverse dependency. Example. Coding A must finish before testing B can start. FS relationship. Narration tip. Dependencies connect your tasks. They show what must happen before what.
58. Lead and lag. Definition. Lead. Overlapping activities to save time. Lag. Adding a delay between activities. Example, starting testing 2 days before coding fully finishes, lead. Waiting 3 days after testing before deployment equals lag. Narration tip. Lead speeds you up. Lag slows you down. Both are tools for smart scheduling.
59. Schedule compression, crashing, fast-tracking. Definition. Techniques to shorten the project schedule without changing scope. Crashing, add resources. Fast-tracking, overlap activities. Example, bringing in extra developers to finish coding sooner, crashing, or starting testing early, fast-tracking. Narration tip, when deadlines loom, compress wisely. Speed can cost money or increase risk.
60. Schedule baseline. Definition. The approved version of the project schedule used as a reference to track actual progress. Example, your original EMR rollout plan becomes the schedule baseline. Any changes require formal approval. Narration tip. The baseline is your time promise. Compare reality against it to measure true progress.